Hello everyone, welcome back. We getting a little wood in today for the getting a little wood into the house today, so I don't know whether we'll need it today or not. It forecast high for today is nearly 60, so we're in the middle of the January thaw, if you will. So we're in the middle of the January thaw. Hopefully, that's a knot. Hopefully it'll dry up and we can start getting some moldboard plowing done. That would be real nice if we could, but you never know. But what I'm going to talk to you today about is the family farm. And how we're losing them. We're planning for the 2018 growing season. We're starting to get ready. We're closing in on the end of January, 1st of February, so we'll start making preparations of getting our seed, our fertilizer, our soil amendments, our transplants and everything ready to go. And you know, you start, when you start that, you start out by spending a lot of money, but you're calculating the returns on that as you move through the year. So in other words, if you're looking to spend $10,000, you know, you're hoping to get a return of 20, you know, something along those lines. And that's just an example. But so as you're doing that, you kind of understand why the family farms are slowly disappearing. And I don't know how slow it is, but they are disappearing. The profit margins are getting tighter and tighter. The input costs are going up every year. You fertilize, you fuel, your you know, packaging costs, etc., etc., etc. But the price of your crop is staying the same or going down. I'll give you a good example. One crop we grow for the past 3 years has slowly declined every year on the average box price. So if it was bringing, you know, and this is just an example, if it was bringing $10 3 years ago, then it brought 9, then it brought 8, then it brought 7. And you know, the inputs are still going up. So, you know, same with the grain folks, the larger family farms, they're facing the same issues, and it makes it tough. You know, and I've stated this before in other videos and other venues, various other places, that, you know, why is it important to everyone that the farms stay in business? Because everyone's got to eat. And I don't know about everyone else, but it's pretty important to me where my food comes from and the food I feed my family. So just a thought, you know, maybe we are maybe the run of the family farm's coming to an end. I don't know. I hope not. I know there's a lot of people and a lot of organizations out there working to promote them and help them. But will it be enough? I don't know. It's just some thoughts. And, you know, So one way we address that on this farm is we try to diversify. And I've put up a couple videos about something new coming to the farm. And it is coming. It should be about the middle of March. And we'll just wait to make sure it gets here. I'm not 100% sure that what I'm going to be putting in, if I can get the material to put it out. So if I can get the plants, basically is what I'm saying. But you know, that's why we do that. And it is a non-food crop. It's amazing to me that people won't pay for food, but they'll pay for other things. So we're going to diversify into that. And you know, even in our food crops, we try to stay very diversified. We don't try to grow just one thing, because if it is that crop, like I stated earlier, that's gone down every year, you know, you get burned there. But just some thoughts. You know, is the family American farm a dying entity or not? Time will tell. I hope not. I plan on being around farming for a while. I'll probably have something planted when they plant me. So, but just some thoughts. As you can see, we're getting the woodshed caught up a little bit. We still got to finish that pile and put another one there, and then we'll be moving on. Hopefully this week it'll get dry enough. We'll start some more board plying. And right now it's just too muddy, and we may talk a little bit about that in a later video. Be sure to check out our other videos. Just done a 3-video series on how to prune an apple tree. Check them out. Maybe you'll learn something, maybe not. I don't know. Subscribe to us. Comment. Let us know what you think, whether you like it or not. Check out our Facebook page, and we will talk to you guys later. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to get out and enjoy the pretty weather. Talk to you later. Bye.